Can I transfer money from a prepaid card to any bank account?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to delve into a common question about financial transactions. We're going to answer, can I transfer money from a prepaid card to any bank account? In the next few minutes, we will discuss how prepaid cards work and whether or not money can be transferred from them to your bank account.
What is a prepaid card?
A prepaid card is a type of card that is preloaded with money. The cardholder can use this card to make purchases, much like a debit or credit card, up to the amount that's been loaded onto the card. Prepaid cards are not typically linked to a bank account, and they're often used as an alternative to bank accounts for those who cannot open them or prefer not to use them.
Can I transfer money from a prepaid card to a bank account?
This is where it gets a bit tricky. In general, most prepaid cards do not allow for direct transfers to a personal bank account. This is due to the structure and purpose of the prepaid card system. Remember, these cards are designed to be loaded with a specific amount of money and used like a debit card, not for transferring funds. That said, there may be workarounds depending on the policies of the company that issued the card. Some companies might offer check issuing options or provide a routing and account number for the card that might be used to pull funds into a bank account.
What are the alternatives?
If you need to transfer money from a prepaid card to a bank account and can't do it directly, you do have other options. Cash out. You can use the prepaid card at an ATM to withdraw cash and then deposit that into your bank account. Peer-to-peer, P2P, payment apps. Some P2P apps might allow you to fund the app balance with a prepaid card, and then you can transfer that balance to your bank account. Note, though, not all apps will support this. Remember, always check the terms and conditions or contact customer service for your specific card to understand the available options. In conclusion, while it's generally not possible to directly transfer money from a prepaid card to a bank account, there are potentially other methods you can use to move your money around. Always ensure to check with your card provider for the most accurate information. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on your options. Thanks for watching.